Down here hacking away at this about, I don't know, 3 hours maybe. Got quite a bit more off of it. I got the majority of it off across the top of the radiator support. Yep, most of that off over there. I still got some to get off. I gotta go back over it. I've got probably, I'd say 97% of that off of there. And from the seam there where the top of the cowl welds to the firewall, I've got all that down to bare metal real good, except up there in that corner. I haven't got to that yet. That's probably going to take some finger sanding, which I'm not going to be happy about, but it's got to be done. I've got all the way up underneath to the pinch weld where the 4-pin goes. And I got to get all that side over there and all that. All this over here and behind that steering gear box will be a fun little job. But that's what I've been doing today. Places like this right here, I've got to go over really good with the wire brush. Get the rust out of the pits there. So, ideally, the camera will pick it up. See, those pits look like that right there before. And I've got all the rust out of them. That's what I need it to look like. Then I go over it with 80 grit or DA, sand it. It puts a little, gives epoxy something to grip to. So most of your epoxy manufacturers will tell you that you must DA it with 80 grit before you apply the epoxy. So that's what I'm doing. And, places where I can't get a DA to, I just hand sand the crap out of it and make sure I got scratches all in it good. Should suffice. Well, there's my update. So I'll get back at it. Have a good day. Like the video, share, and subscribe to the channel, and click the little bell so you get all the updates.